You're watching NewsNet India.
Preparation to open schools in Madhya Pradesh from July 1st. Preparations are underway to open schools in Madhya Pradesh from July 1st to higher secondary. The government is looking for the formula that can be helpful in opening schools while protecting children from infection. For this, the formula of Corona curfew can be adopted. That is, in the district, city, village where there will be a corona infection, the school should be closed and other place should be opened. Similarly, the school in the area of city where the infection will take place should remain closed. Government will give free LPG connections. Under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana, the government will give 1 crore LPG connection for free in the month of June. This facility will be given to the people below poverty line. Train tickets will be booked instantly and that too up to with 12% discount. IRCTC train tickets booking online. Last year, Amazon had partnered with Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation to give customer the facility to book tickets through Amazon. Users can book train tickets for themselves from their homes through Amazon app. Monsoon softens for north, west, south. Heavy rains continue in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Widespread rain and thunder showers are very likely to occur over Chhattisgarh and East Madhya Pradesh in the next 48 hours. The spread and intensity of rain will be more in Chhattisgarh as compared to Madhya Pradesh. Railway came forward to provide jobs for the dependents of railway workers who died due to corona. New Delhi, millions of people across the country lost their lives in the second wave of corona infection. During this, the financial condition of the family of the dependents was badly shaken. Northern Railway has taken concrete steps to help the dependents of railway employees who lost their lives during the corona transition. Railway will provide jobs to dependent and get appointment according to their qualification. A camp will be organized on June 28 in each division, that is Ambala, Firozpur, Lucknow, Moradabad, including Delhi of Northern Railway. The first consignment of nano urea liquid fertilizer have been given green signal. Ahmedabad, Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani said that nano urea liquid fertilizer containing nitrogen made from nanotechnology will prove useful for the farmers in changing the direction of traditional farming. He said, world's first eco-friendly nano urea liquid fertilizer produced by the Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited Kalol unit from Gandhinagar through video conferencing on Saturday. Congratulating the scientists and the board of directors of IFFCO for this achievement, the Chief Minister said that to meet the huge demand for urea, liquid urea made from nanotechnology would make the availability of urea easier for the farmers. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani said that agriculture and farmers will become useful only because the agriculture prosperity of our country having agriculture and rural culture. World Test Championship Final. New Zealand become the first World Test Champion. ICC Test Championship final being played between India and New Zealand at the Aegis Bowl in Southampton reached an exciting turn. New Zealand won the toss and invited India to bat. Team India could only make 217 in the first innings. In reply, the Indian bowler reduced New Zealand to 249 runs. In second inning was given 170 by the New Zealand team. The Indian team gave the target of 139 runs to New Zealand, which was achieved by the Kiwi team with 8 wickets in hand.